The calibration process for Print and Cut received an update in August of 2022. Cricut pointed out that it should improve ease of use. I'll walk you through the updated process. My name is Ruth. This is Hank's Maker Mentor. Calibrating Print and Cut is a great step when your cut lines aren't lining up quite right on your Print and Cut projects using your Maker or Explore machines. Print and Cut is not available on the Joy or on Android phones. You'll start by clicking on the menu in the top left corner, select Calibrate. If you're using an Explore machine, you'll only see Print and Cut. I'm using my Maker, so I need to select Print and Cut. You'll select a printer from the dropdown and load it with plain white printer paper. If you already have a calibration sheet printed, you can make use of the new feature to skip the printing process. Otherwise, click Print. If it didn't print correctly, print again. Once you have a printed calibration sheet, click Continue. Place the sheet in the top left corner of a light grip cutting mat, trying to line it up as straight as possible, then continue. Select the machine you're calibrating from the drop-down menu. It lets you know that nothing needs to be in clamp A. You need a fine point blade, like the one that came with your machine, in clamp B, then load the mat. Don't unload until it specifically tells you to. Press Go. Design Space will show you that it is scanning the calibration sheet. Mine took a little less than a minute to scan. Then it cuts the small square in the center. You need to look closely to determine if the cut line touches the printed line the entire way around. Cricut's new tip is that you might need to take a photo with your phone, then zoom in to look at it closely. I also use my stab and grab tweezers from 143vinyl.com to lift up the square to look for ink on all sides of the square and on the paper left on the mat. You'll select the option that applies, either yes to proceed to fine calibration or no to do a basic calibration. Mine looks good, as you can see in this picture, so I select yes and continue. It then cuts on the lines that run across the top and the right side of the page. Mine took just over a minute. Then you'll need to look closely, without unloading the mat, to see which line is closest to centered with the printed line. Design Space shows an example of what it should look like and 3 examples of what it shouldn't. Using the drop-down menus, select the number and letter that are most centered. Yours will probably be different from mine. Then continue to the confirmation cut. It will cut the middle rectangle on the sheet. Leave it loaded in the machine while you look if it cut along the printed lines. You can remove the calibration sheet, but not the mat right now. It asks if you're satisfied with the cut. You can choose, yes, the cut is close enough to center, or no, I'd like to do another calibration. If you click no, like I did the first time, it will take you through the process again. I'm not going to show that in this video. We're going to jump ahead to when I say I am satisfied with the cut. It lets me know that the calibration is complete and the new settings have been saved to my machine. You do need to calibrate each Cricut machine individually. If you want to see how to make magnets with Print and Cut, check out this video. Thanks for watching Hank's Maker Mentor. Until next time, bye.